do that together slowly. We go 1, 2, 3, 1. The arms are more the tricky part. You already have the feet. And the last one, the legs finishing yourself, so that's why I can long videos. Let me know when you're good.
Ready.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the little drill that we did at the beginning of class and then the new step. So what we started with in the beginning was just working on reverse turn. Again, no turn into progressive twinkle. 1, 2, 3, 1. And then we connected this with one twinkle into another reverse turn, this time with the underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, progressive twinkle, progressive twinkle. I'm going to go through the rest of the routine. So here we're going to go into turning twinkles, then we do the flip-flops. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Half of the box into our front to back. We're only going to do one for right now, just so we can get to the end piece. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Turning twinkle here. We're just going to set this for the waterfall. The lady goes out, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last one. We're going to meet, and we are back to the box and to do back to the beginning or whatever we want to do. Nice job. So let me break down the waterfall a little bit. Let's try that. So for the waterfall, what we did is we're going to start just in promenade this way. We're going to go 1, 2, change hands. Now, the ladies just have, I'm just going to hang on for a second. The ladies have step, side, close, just like you do in your flip-flops. The gentlemen, you have a progressive twinkle. We're going to do that together slowly. We go 1, 2, 3, 1. The arms are more the tricky part. You already have the feet. And the last one, the legs finishing yourself, so that's why I can let go, and we just go back to a box. Very nice. We did it two ways tonight. We did it in place and traveling. So let's do the in place one. So we're going to start again from promenade. We're going to go 1, 2. This is just like turn twinkle. We're just in place, turning twinkle, place, turning twinkle, in place, catch the lady, and we are done. Very nice. Good job. Yeah? Okay, we'll go over all this again next week. Go team.